Are those the sparklers?
Look at this, man.
Yeah, don't be lighting no firecrackers right here. Get out of the grass so we don't light nothing on fire.
Tell me I can't do fireworks. Or do fireworks anyway.
Tristan's a sparking. Don't be. You scared the fuck out of me. And now I can't put this on Facebook because I said the F word.
That's so bright.
What did
Yeah.
I light this? Oh, shit. Come here, little buggy.
Little pre-show before the real.
Why are you squeaking?
Hey, I'm gonna light mine.
No, 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 no.
Throw it.
Ow, y'all. My ears.
Shake
Dang.
Can I get another of those?
it up, baby.
Here, Matt, I got some.
Step on it.
Make sure you.
Alright, that went in your hair, boy. Yes, it did. It bounced back up. I watched it go in your hair. Like, obviously it's out, thankfully, but still.
No.
I said one apiece.
Wait, no, I want mine.
What are we doing? Get out here first.
Can I get another?
No.
Y'all make me nervous.
One apiece.
Throw it. Don't play around.
No, I only got one.
He only got one.
Back up, Walker.
Can I have one to explode?
You better throw it.
I'm not. No. Throw it.
Okay.
Another one. Wait,
I held it down.
One more.
No, Walker.
Alright, that's enough. Come on.
All right, that's just a little pre-show.